Thank you so much.
I heard that there's oneness and there's the super consciousness and individual consciousness. I want to know if this it's all one big bucket, how come it becomes individual conscious, and how they break?
It never became individual conscious. Only reflections are thousands. Reflections are billions. The source is only one.
And there wasn't any breaking up at all. Okay. And about the death...
Sit and break your head over when I said no. Understand? You asked the question. There was ever no breaking at all. I said no. If you ask that question very seriously, you will not have the next question. My answer will be like a strong shock. And you will sit and plan to contemplate on this answer. Because you always believed there's break and there's many. Now I am saying no. Getting it? You are getting what I am saying?
Not really.
All right. Then put the question.
I think I have to think about it. I think I have to think about it.
You are right. Now go.
But Swamiji,
That's all I asked.
But Swamiji, I do have some other question about that.
Yes, go ahead. Go ahead with some other question.
It's about the if it's a natural death or it's an accidental death, and for a devotee or for just a normal person, I heard like for some tradition they have like 49 days kind of preparation, but you just mentioned it only take a few hours. So is there any
No.
different dream?
Let me be very clear. When a person dies, natural death, he will assume the body within 3 seconds. 3 chana. Chana means gap between one thought and the other thought. If you lived a complete life, for you the gap between one thought and the other thought can be even 2 hours. For an agitated person, the gap may be microsecond. So based on the individual mind, within 3 thought, the 3rd thought he has to have another one body. But the luggage transfer, all the incompletions and baggage and karma, knowledge, the art they know, the skills they know, the language they know, the efficiency they have, all that to get transferred, it takes 13 days. U-Haul service takes 13 days. You are shifting from Seattle to St. Louis. You go in flight and land in St. Louis. But all your luggage from Seattle to St. Louis takes 13 days. U-Haul service takes 13 days. Understand?
Yep, 13.
So for a normal person, a natural death, this is the way he dies, and in 13 days the luggage is shifted. For a normal person, accident, because it is an accident, he has not committed suicide, he will be given a peaceful lounge till his natural death period comes. If he is supposed to die at 90 by exhausting all karmas, he dies at 50. 40 years he will have a peaceful lounge in the transition zone. So he will not be painful or hurting or suffering. He will have a peaceful lounge, like a resting. And then in his natural death period, he will take the body and the luggage will go with him. But if somebody commits suicide, he will have a terrorized lounge where he has to wait this natural period till natural period of death, but it will be a heavy suffering, worst suffering. That's all is the difference. And if a devotee, especially initiated disciple, if he has a natural death, the moment his soul leaves the body, I give him the option. the moment he goes through the NSP process, especially this death process, please listen. With all my integrity I am speaking. Wherever you leave the body, I will be there. The moment the death heat starts in your body, I will be there. First thing, I will be appearing, and I give you the option. If you want one more body, you will have the conscious birth. You will carry only the completion pattern. All the other I disconnect it here itself. The few loads of U-Haul vehicle will get into accident. It will never be transported to you. Only the completion part will come to you, other things will be burnt here. If you don't want one more body, you just disappear into my form, into the restful awareness in which I am happening. Understand? Same way, you are a devotee. If you face an accident, you will not be made to wait. The moment you are about to leave the body again, you see me, and I give you the option. You want to have one more body, immediately you have a conscious birth, and only the completion patterns. You may be born in a Gurukul, or parents who will bring you to Gurukul, who will bring you immediately to have my darshan, and immediately connected, live and celebrate and enjoy the whole thing. If you don't want one more body, you just relax and be in the restful awareness of me. Even if you are a devotee, if you commit suicide, I cannot help. You have to go through the terrorized lounge and sit there, be there. You go through the normal person's path. No way of any support or any help is possible.
And
Clear?
yes. And you said, I heard you say, I will be resting with you. Will there?
If you decide.
If I decide.
If you decide.
If I decide I'll be resting with you, will there be still an individual consciousness with you?
There may not be individual consciousness. There is something called Divya Sarira. Means the body without body. The body which is not separate identity, and if I have to explain more precise, it's like if you consider the cosmic soul as a huge
bubble,
ice cream, you are also a small toy made of ice cream, same ice cream. The Karana, Karya, both will not be separate from the origin. Means the reason and the cause and happening. In the whole thing, you will not have a separate identity. You will be just in the space of complete completion. Clear?
yes.
See now, as long as you have some other goal, other than enriching, other than being part of what I am, you have an individual identity. If you decide you don't want any other goal, any other individual identity, you just want only what I am, which is integrity, authenticity, responsibility, enriching, then you start experiencing that space even now. Clear? That is what Bhagavad Gita calls Aksharadama. Imperishable space, where you do not have an individual body. It is called Sarubhya Mukti. Sarubhya Mukti means like a Nandi, Devi, Ganesha. All of them has no individual identity. They are just Shiva. The different parts of Shiva. That's all. Samibhya Mukti, it is called. Being near, liberated.
And I think every day we will go through death, or a certain part of us will go through death. So that applies as well.
Yes.
And we
Yes.
have, if we keep doing completion process, that means only the complete part will go to the next.
Yes.
and the incompletion will just be thrown away.
Yes, but be burnt away. See, during the death, I'll naturally ask you, what do you want? You want one more birth or complete liberation? If you choose complete liberation, you will be there in the same space as I described. If you don't even want to have a farm made out of same ice cream, you can just become one with the main ice cream. That's all. It's like ice ball can anytime become one with the huge snow hill. If you want to take one more birth, you will be given a conscious birth. All your completion will come with you. Incompletions will be burnt. That is what is the purpose of this death process.
If I choose to take another birth, does that mean there's still some little incompletion that caused
No,
that
nothing
birth?
like that. When you leave the body, when I ask, if you wanted to take one more birth, it is not like incompletion. You just want to play or enjoy. That is perfectly all right.